Hi, that concludes all the exercises for this chapter on finance. Remember Warren Buff, about your age, to think about money, financial, and now he's a billionaire. So worthwhile getting to know this topic well. So for today we're doing chapter revision. So we're going to our chapter review. This is lesson 8. Uh, this is the third lesson of the week, so make sure you mark off your attendance. You'll click on this document here where you'll see that if we scroll down here, we're supposed to do these chapter review questions. So that's what I want you to focus on today only. Um, for that, you'll go to your textbook, and your textbook, if we go to that, remember, is structured so that all you have to do is from exercise 1A to 1G. So we have the multiple choice question, 1A, 1E. So you can actually, if you need to, go back and have a look how to do that. So that's multiple choice. And these ones are the short answer. Again, they tell you where to go and look up the exercises. So have a go at that. So the test will be a online test. It will be next week on most probably Friday. So that when we get back, we'll start a fresh new topic. So it'll be 18 multiple choice questions. So on Tuesday, we'll do some more revision, and Friday of next week, you'll be doing the test. 18 multiple choice questions. And as I say, very similar to these ones and also in the practice one. Have a good weekend. So don't forget, chapter review. These are the questions. Follow the program. Cheers.